Meaning of diver.
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 Diver. A diver is a person who engages in the activity of swimming or exploring underwater. It typically involves wearing special equipment, such as a wetsuit, mask, and breathing apparatus, to allow for extended periods of time underwater. Diving can be recreational, competitive, or professional, with various levels of skill and experience required, depending on the type of diving. Divers may explore natural or artificial underwater environments, conduct research, or participate in rescue missions. Overall, diving offers a unique and thrilling way to explore the underwater world and gain a deeper appreciation for our planet's vast oceans.